Push-ups is an exercise that probably everyone knows. It engages the muscle of the shoulder girdle, chest and triceps. In push-ups, grading of difficulty and modification basically have no limits and they can be done everywhere without any equipment. Push-ups are cool exercise, so today we are focusing on them. In this video I will show you how to make the perfect push-up, and the second part of this video I will show you how to get from 0 to 10 push-ups in a series in the fast and most comprehensive way. Starting position: support in front, palms slightly wider the shoulder, girdle set perfectly under the shoulders, not in front, not from the side, but exactly under the shoulders. Fingers directed forward and the spine should be in neutral position without slouching and without bending. All curves have to be neutral. In addition, of course, active abs and active glutes. Legs straightened at the knees, feet neutral. Do you have a starting position? Then we are ready for some pumping. We try to descend our chest to the ground in a controlled way without losing our ideal position, and then return to the starting position. All done with full control and accuracy. Very simple, right? To be sure, I will show you a short checklist for the correct push-up. Remember about the full range of motion. Then the muscles are engaged correctly and you give a signal to the body that current mobility is used and it does need it. Elbows have to be all time above the wrist. Then cannot move either to the side or to the middle. In the basics version of the pump, it's like the elbows are the basics of the triangle, the head is its top, and the shoulders are the sides. Keep this in mind and it will be okay. The spine is kept in the same way as in the starting position, without slouching or bending. The bending movement of the elbow during the push-ups should be directed forward. Breathing: when you go down, inhale, and when you go up, exhale. Simple, right? Now it's the most important part of this video, so let's move on to how to get from 0 to 10 or maybe even 15 push-ups in one set. For beginners, the first push-ups is usually the most difficult. Then it's easy peasy, let's get to it. Start with an emphasis on the eccentric phase. Place yourself in the perfect position and then go down very slowly to the very bottom until you touch the ground with your chest. Then stand up in any way you want and repeat the exercise. If you can do it 3 to 5 times, then we can go further. Try to do a full push-ups but with your hands on a platform. Start with a settings with which you can perform 7 to 10 repetitions without struggling. Then try to go a little lower and repeat the same. Then try to go a little lower and repeat the scheme. Getting more and more easier, then go lower and even more lower. Once you can go down completely the floor, you can start doing push-ups on the ground. Probably doing 10 repetitions will be a problem, so do as many push-ups as you can, and when it gets difficult, switch to eccentric push-ups. For example, 5 regular push-ups, 5 eccentric push-ups, or 5 push-ups plus 5 push-ups on the platform. To speed up learning, you can also aim for 15 push-ups. For example, 5 regular, 5 on the platform and 5 more on the decline position. An assistance to this exercise is a rubber band on your chest. The rubber band helps us the bottom, which is usually the most difficult part. You can do 10, 15 push-ups with the band and gradually change its thickness so the muscle will do more work. Gradually you will be able to do more and more push-ups on the floor and less using the platform or any help. It's just a matter of systematic work. Do such training 3 times a week and try to increase the number of push-ups performed on a weekly basis. Push-ups should be like brushing your teeth. when it is done every day in the morning and evening. Do at least a few repetitions. A few weeks later you will be like a push-ups beast. Hope you like the video. If you want me to keep doing video on this particular topic, let me know in the leaves a thumbs up. Together we can work on your functional body. Thank you very much. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.